Ask This Old House is back with a brand new season, heading out to all corners of the country to answer your home improvement questions.
Nice to meet you, Richard. Welcome to Seattle.
Hi, Tom. Welcome to Pittsburgh.
Thank you. It's nice to be here.
Welcome to St. Pete.
I grew up just down the road, so I really feel at home here.
Whether you're a brand new homeowner or a seasoned DIYer, we've got the project for you.
My dad and I actually hung the cabinets.
Oh, great.
But we were having some trouble with how to fasten crown molding.
It can be tricky, but I think we can do it together.
I think I've got a solution that'll work with your existing electrical setup and even save you energy.
Sounds good.
So what you and I have to do is take that brick out and replace it.
Tom Silva continues the popular Build It, with even more projects for the home woodworker.
This is just rough sawn lumber. Comes in a box and you get it at the home center.
Yeah.
And we're gonna make a headboard out of that.
Sounds good.
Our Generation Next program continues, with apprentices working right alongside our professionals.
This project, it's a good one for you to learn how to remove wallpaper.
Took a little elbow grease, but it looks good.
We'll even have a few visits from last year's apprentice, Nathan Gilbert, who returns to make some house calls of his own.
So we'll take the hinges and mortise them in on this side,
Yeah.
and then we'll Dutchman in with the old strike plate and deadbolt work. These look like pretty typical hinges and draw slides. I think it could be a really easy swap.
Great.
Future House returns as Ross Trethewey takes a look at some of the technology that will shape how we build and live in our houses.
Welcome to the space station.
Oh, I feel like I'm in space. This is crazy.
And he'll travel anywhere to find the latest and greatest.
On Earth, that water just drains away. But on a space station, we want to collect that condensate and turn it back into drinking water.
I'm just amazed at how these systems are so interconnected. And then the multifunction bridge takes over and we'll do all the nailing.
Wow, look at that thing go. That's quick.
And we'll be spending some more time in upstate New York building 2 more projects with maker Jimmy DiResta. Did it again.
Thank you, brother.
Don't miss a minute of the 17th season of Ask This Old House. It all starts this fall on PBS. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.